In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Manomano discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Manomano discount promo codes. Right here, go to this website, which is called Voucher Codes. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes and deals that we can use to get some discount. For example, if you want to get this one with £15 discount off your first order, all you need to do is simply tap right there where it says get code. And this is your promo code right here that you can simply copy, and you can use this one on your first order to get that £15 discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you will find this website which is called couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have some promo codes as well and deals that you can use to get some discounts. So, for example, if you want to get this one with £25 discount of your purchase, all you need to do is just tap right here where it says shop coupon code, and this is the promo code that you can simply copy and apply this one on your next purchase in order to get the discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.